Looking at the antiderivatives, notice here your a does not necessarily have to be the number 1. So your a piece in the antiderivative is always the number, and the u piece will always be the derivative. So what I would always recommend first is figuring out what your a and what your u is. So on page 20, notice your a is the square root of 5 because it's a squared, and your u in this case is x cubed. And anytime we do antiderivatives, after we pick out your u, don't forget to put your du down. So your du in this case is 3x squared dx. That's why that extra x squared is up on the top. So if you want to do the rewrite, if that helps you, that's fine. So this is your a squared plus your u squared. All of this is your du. The only thing I'm missing is a 3, so that means I need a 1/3 here. So then just following the pattern, this is really your arctangent. The 1/3 stays in the front. 1 over a arctangent of u over a plus c. Okay. The second one will be your arc sine. So your u in this case is e to the 2x, because this is really e to the 2x quantity squared. And then your a in this case is 1. Again, anytime we do antiderivatives, if you have a u, make sure you write your du. So the derivative of e to the 2x is 2e to the 2x. So again, let's do our substitution. So I have square root of 1 minus u squared. All of this is your du except that 2, so that means I need a 1/2 in the front. So this will be 1/2. I'm just going to follow the pattern for the arc sine. Arc sine of u over a plus c. The next one, this is going to be my arctangent. So your a is 1, your u is x, is e to the x, because it's really e to the x quantity squared. My du is e to the x again. That's why that extra e to the x is there. So again, let's do the rewrite. So I have 1 plus u squared on the bottom. All of this is my du. Notice I'm not missing anything. So this is just going to be 1 over a, which is just 1. You don't have to write that, but you can. Arctangent of u over a plus c. Okay. And the last one we're going to do on this page is number 4. So again, this is going to fall into my arc sine. So your u in this case is sine of x, because that's what it's getting squared. Your du is cosine of x dx. And then my a in this case is 3. So again, let's do the rewrite. So this is really 3 squared minus u squared. I have everything for du. So this is going to fall into my arc sine. So it's going to be arc sine of u over a plus c.